So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your Valorant game, Valorant agent voice line not working and can't hear voice problem, so guys watch this video till end because I am showing in this video the 4 easy ways to solve this problem. So guys, first one is check your audio settings. Make sure that your audio settings within the game are properly configured. Go to the game setting menu and ensure that the master volume, voice chat volume and agent voice volume are not set to 0 or muted. So guys, this is the first way to solve this problem. And now going on the second way. The second way is update audio drivers. Outdated or faulty audio drivers can cause issues with sound in games. Update your audio drivers to the latest version available. You can usually find the appropriate drivers on the manufacturer's website for your specific audio device. So guys, this is the second way. Now going on the third one. The third way is verify game files. If still you are experiencing Valorant agent files voice lines not working issues, sometimes game files can become corrupt or missing, leading to audio issues. To verify the integrity of your Valorant game files, open the Riot Games launcher, go to the Valorant game tab, click on the gear icon and select check your updates or repair to scan and repair any corrupted files. So guys, this is the third way. Now going on the fourth way, and this is the very working way. Delete XAudio 2/9 Redist and download new patch. Here are the steps to do so. First, go to the folder where you have Valorant installed, and once you get there, you need to delete the .dil file called XAudio 2/9 Redist. Once you have successfully deleted this said files, launch Valorant. When you do so, you will see a notification asking you to download a new patch. Now enclose the game and update it. Now launch Valorant and check if the error remains. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.